What is up guys, this is Karan here. Welcome back to Tech Karan YouTube channel. If you are also on the user of a device which has Android 11 based ROMs available, but you have AOSP based ROMs which has the quick step launcher pre-installed like this, you don't get the Pixel launcher available here. And in this video I'm going to share with you how you can install Pixel launcher, what are the requirements, and that will work on your device or not. Stay tuned for that. Make sure to watch this video till the end. Let's get started quickly. Okay guys, right now I'm using Redmi Note 8 in which I've installed AOSP based Android 11 ROM right now on my device, and as I already told you, I have Quick Step Launcher pre-installed. There's no Pixel Launcher available. You already know that Pixel Launcher always has some cool kind of features available, so if you want to get those features, what you need to do is first of all you need to download a file called pixelized.aosp.zip. The link for this file is in the description. You can go and check it out, and after that what you have to do is first of all you have to go to your root partition. Like in my case I'm using mi explorer, so just go here, go to add new tab, and then what you have to do is select the root partition. Just grant the root permission if you want to. Second thing what we need to find out is go to your system, and here you will see this product folder there. If the product folder is available there, then this guide will work for you, and if the product folder is not available here, unfortunately the guide will not work for you. Don't complain about this, okay? I'm already telling you the requirements. You need to have this partition available in your system called product. If it is available, just go and install this, and if it is not available, just leave this because this guide will not work for you. Okay, so we have this partition, and here we have this zip file. Now what we need to do is we must have a custom recovery. Of course, if you have installed a custom ROM, AOSP based Android 11 ROM, you might have a custom recovery available. So just boot into custom recovery once. Guys, in my case I'm using Orange Fox custom recovery here. You can use any other custom recovery also if you want to. Just locate that file where you have downloaded. In my case it's available in the download folder, pixelized aosp.zip. Just swipe to install. It will take some time, so just to wait for it to happen, and after that everything would be done. As you can see, script succeeded, result was /system_root, and this module, this zip file is by Athesis Finch. So thanks to this developer, and we have just installed it successfully. What we need to do is we just need to reboot our system, and you will see Pixel launcher there installed. So guys, here it is. We have just booted our device, and as I already told you, we are now at Pixel launcher. This one is, as you can see, by going to about phone version 11. If you open the app info, yes, this is Pixel launcher available now. If sometimes it gives you blank screen or something like different one, what you have to do is just go here, go to your settings, and then you go to the apps and notifications. Then you have to select the default apps and home apps, select the Pixel launcher there, because it will not work if you install it as an APK or like this. And now as you can see, the Pixel launcher looks interesting and better, and I also personally choose Pixel launcher on my device. It has all the features, and if you are seeing this, we have the select now feature available, which was not present in default quick step launcher. We already know about that. These are the things I just wanted to share with you. If you like it, don't forget to like and share this video. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.